Yo, y'all remember when Krillin got blown up by Frieza? Man, this dude was missing something, bro. He was missing the Goku Salad, bro. If this sucker ate the Goku Salad, bro, he wouldn't have
Bruh.
he would have beaten Krillin, Frieza all by himself, bro. But like, look at this dude, bro. I mean, like, look at his head, bro. Head shaped like a Dragon Ball looking at, bro. This dude, six
Bruh.
dot on the head, make him look like a bootleg Ricky Jesus, bro. Like, this dude head shaped like a Dragon Ball so much, bro. Like, this dude was made to get revived by the Dragon Ball, bro. I mean, like every day, Krillin getting Krillin, bro. I mean, like, Krillin's getting Krillin. You know what I'm saying, bro? Frieza really killing it on Krillin. You know what I'm saying? Hey. Also, look at this dude's bald head, bro. He ain't growing any hair, bro. Look at Goku, bro. Look at his healthy hair, bro. Even at like age like 50 or whatnot, this dude still got like so much hair, bro. Just cause he eating the Goku Salad, bro. The Goku Salad gonna make you grow hair, and like Krillin over here, bro. Like this dude bald, and like we can use his head like a bowling ball, bro. Like this dude head so bald, bro. I mean, like look at this bald guy, bro. Bald. He ate the Goku Salad and became Super Saiyan. So anyways, you guys gotta check out this Goku Salad, bro. This gonna make you turn Super Saiyan like Goku. Yo, did you see the new Goku Salad? I heard this stuff tastes pretty good, bro. Goku Salad? What the heck is a Goku Salad, bro? Teach me how to make this, bro. I wanna know. Alright, bro. First, you gotta learn how to Dougie, bro. Let me teach you how to Dougie real quick. Once you come back, once you learn how to Dougie, you can start the step to make the Goku Salad, brother. Alright, bro. Once you grooving like this, Doug, then you can start the step. Alright, you just gotta learn how to Dougie first, alright? Alright, bro. Let me show you how to make it, bro. First, you need 1 rice, and you need 2 eggs, and you also need a 1 tuna thing, bro. This thing gonna taste good, bro. Tuna can, looking at 1 green onion, bro. And a sesame oil. Alright, let's get this Goku Salad. Let's get it. My name is Bobby. Alright, you guys are probably wondering what a Goku Salad is. This is a salad that makes Goku open. Frick! You're probably wondering how the heck this is a salad with no vegetables and rice. I don't really know. I just made up the name Goku Salad because I think it's a cool name. And this Goku Salad gonna make you strong as frick, bro. That's a Goku Salad, bro. Alright, man, I'm about to do the new flip, bro. Rey Mysterio on this hoe. Oh my gosh, man. This one's really persistent, man. I'm really trying to get this one out of here. Oh my gosh, bro. This is taking a really long time.
Oh my god. Bruh.
Come on. Alright, it's time to get this sucker out of here. Come on, green onion. Come on, let's get it. Let's get it. Hey. Oh.
Try!
Alright, I don't really know what to say here. I'll just do a little rap battle, rap beatbox. Got him! Red dot him! Man, all this fish is what Goku ate, bro. You know what Goku did in like the first episode of Dragon Ball, bro? He got that.
Oh my god, this is burnt!
Oh my gosh, bro. Like this would make him strong, bro. Alright guys, let's take a taste of this meal first. We gotta mix it up real quick first. Alright, we gotta mix it up. Alright. Alright, let's take a taste right now. Oh my gosh, bro. This tastes freaking incredible. I mean, like, wow, the rice adds a nice base, bro. Like, all of that sauce that was in the tuna can is all absorbed by the freaking rice, bro. And, you know, the green onions are fresh, you know, they just make it taste good, bro. I mean, like, wow. Like, I already feel like Goku already, bro. I'm invigorated, bro. I'm about to freaking do, like, 1,000 marathons in a row right now. Let's go. Let's get